Good morning, fifth graders. Welcome to the middle of the week. We've reached Wednesday of the first week of distance learning, and I'm super proud of all of you. I wanted to call your attention to sort of the process again of what we should be doing every morning to make sure that we are checked in with our attendance and that we have a good routine set up for the day. So be sure to always go to Seesaw, open up the morning message here, and answer the question, the sharing question, by replying to the activity. When you reply to the activity, that way I can kind of see all the responses in one area versus having some students in the journal, some in the activity, and some messaging me personally. But today's question is, what would be the impact of a year without rain? I thought this was an interesting question because I'm sure you've heard the phrase, April showers bring May flowers. April tends to be a pretty rainy month in Minnesota, but I also thought maybe you could connect back to our reading of about William with the boy who harnessed the wind and the impact of not having long periods of rain in his community. So what would be the impact of that? So when you think about that question, respond to it right here in this activity. Then the second thing you need to do today is open and complete the daily lesson slides. Those are both found on Seesaw, but then they're also found on our Google Classroom. Make sure you click on each page, each link, and it kind of gives you the directions of what you need to do. And then finally, you'll also need to access your music Seesaw page today. Keep in mind that each specialist has their own Seesaw page. So you'll have to look at our slides at the very end. It tells you which specialist you have each day. I'll also post it here as well. But make sure you go to their specialist Seesaw page and you'll find information about what they expect you to do for music today. All right, so let's go ahead and read today's message. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. Happy April Fool's Day. Good morning, fifth graders. Welcome to the middle of our first distance learning week. It's been great seeing your commitment to learning and your willingness to try new things. How are you finding balance at home with schoolwork and personal activities? I have found that for me, it helps to write out a to-do list each day and schedule the time I want to spend working on tasks. I also have designated times that I'm going to take breaks from work to play with my kids or to get outside. I'm wondering what strategies are working for you. Today, you will continue on with your math, reading, inquiry, and social emotional learning. Remember to reach out with any questions you may have. Make Wednesday wonderful. Sincerely, Mrs. Ryan. So have a great day. Don't work too hard. Make sure you find some balance in your life. And again, reach out if you have any questions at all. Thanks so much, fifth graders. See you later.